Right now, we are seeing an increase in opiate use.
A local organization says there is a disturbing rise in drug use among teens here in Southwest Florida. And the kids taking these drugs are reportedly getting younger and younger, sometimes below the age of 13. Well, now drug-free Collier is working to make it easier for parents to test their kids for drugs at home. 4 in Your Corner's Paul Fortier explaining, all new at 6.
Well, these kits can cost around $40 in the store, but Drug-Free Collier is partnering with the manufacturer to offer them free of charge at 3 upcoming events. They say it's one way to stop teen drug use before or after it starts.
5-minute results typically, and they are 99% accurate.
That's how effective Ana de Mercurio says these home drug tests are for testing 12 commonly abused drugs, illegal substances like marijuana, cocaine, and ecstasy, and prescription drugs like methadone and oxycodone.
Parents who have this, their child would know that, my parents are going to drug test me. I'm not going to use drugs. I'm not going to do this because my parents are crazy enough to use a drug test on me.
Parent Jennifer Marchanda says drug abuse is everywhere and says there's no downside to testing your kids for something they shouldn't be taking.
If the kids aren't doing drugs, then I would see why they wouldn't be opposed, or why they would be opposed to taking a drug test.
While it doesn't test for alcohol, the most commonly abused substance among teens, the kits are one way to intervene, especially if you see signs that your child may have a drug issue.
Poor performance in school, a change in friends, a change in their appearance. If we can intervene, the sooner the better.
And de Mercurio stresses that giving your child a drug test should not be the first time you have a conversation with your child about drugs. She says that conversation should take place well in advance of any drug test. Reporting in Collier County, Carl Fortier, Fox 4, in your corner.
All right.